Winter wellness. Unlocked. How to supercharge your immunity. Winter is known for weakening our immune system, leaving us vulnerable to seasonal diseases. However, you can counteract this by boosting your immunity through winter wellness practices. Cozy up and learn how to make this season your healthiest yet. Winter wellness practices are simple habits you can adopt to enhance your immune system. They boost your energy levels and help you thrive during the colder months. Consuming immunity-boosting foods is key. Add vegetable soups, spices, citrus fruits, and winter snacks like almonds and walnuts to your diet. These foods are loaded with essential nutrients and antioxidants beneficial for your immunity. Key nutrients for immune support are vitamin C, vitamin D, and zinc. These nutrients boost the production and function of your immune cells and can be supplemented through products like Nutri-C Plus and Numex D. Hydration is crucial for immunity. The dry winter air can lead to dehydration, resulting in fatigue and low immunity. Regularly sip on antioxidant-rich herbal teas and flavored water to maintain hydration levels. Good sleep and stress management are also important for boosting your immune system. Establish a relaxation ritual before bedtime and stay mindful to reduce stress levels. Staying active signals your immune system to gear up for action. Regular exercise, even simple indoor workouts, can significantly enhance your immune system's efficiency. In conclusion, winter wellness is about consuming a nutrient-rich diet, staying hydrated, managing sleep and stress, and staying active. Each of these contributes to boosting your immunity, leading to a healthier, happier you during the winter season. Here's to an empowered, immune-boosted winter. Stay proactive about your health this winter by adopting these immunity-boosting habits, paving the way for a robust and revitalized season. Thank you for watching. If you find this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe Physiomedics. Embrace the winter season with confidence by incorporating these immunity-boosting habits into your daily routine for a fortified, vibrant, and invigorating winter experience.